9 common negative traits that may look positive. Presented by Mind Matters. When it comes to character traits, it's often challenging to discern whether a seemingly positive quality conceals underlying negative aspects. These traits may initially appear commendable, but upon closer examination, reveal their detrimental side effects. This article delves into 9 such traits, highlighting their potential pitfalls and offering insights into achieving a healthier balance. Understanding these traits is not only crucial for personal development, but also essential for nurturing more harmonious personal and professional relationships. Number 1. Honesty versus insensitivity. Honesty is undoubtedly a virtue, but it can inadvertently morph into insensitivity when we fail to consider the emotional impact of our words. Recognizing when our honesty crosses the line into hurtful territory is the first step toward becoming more thoughtful and sensitive communicators. While being truthful is important, it should always be accompanied by empathy and kindness. Number 2. Organization versus control. Being organized and detail-oriented is often praised as a valuable quality, yet it can turn into a challenge when we struggle to trust others and insist on micromanaging every aspect of a project or event. Learning to delegate and have faith in the capabilities of others can lead to more efficient teamwork and foster a more positive work environment. Number 3. Patience versus laziness. Distinguishing patience from laziness can be challenging. Patience involves the ability to wait for the right moment while remaining steadfast in our pursuits. On the other hand, laziness reflects a reluctance to exert effort or invest time. To avoid falling into the trap of procrastination, it's vital to recognize these differences and take active steps towards achieving our goals. Number 4. Self-confidence versus vanity. Self-confidence is an admirable quality, signifying belief in one's abilities. However, self-confidence can transform into vanity when an excessive focus on appearance and self-admiration overshadows humility and empathy. Striking a balance between self-assuredness and humility ensures that self-confidence remains a positive trait, fostering healthy relationships and self-growth. Number 5. High standards versus being demanding. Setting high standards for oneself and others can promote personal growth and excellence. Nonetheless, it becomes problematic when these standards turn into unreasonable demands, causing stress and tension in relationships. Achieving a balance between having expectations and allowing room for imperfections can contribute to healthier interactions. Number 6. Emotional strength versus bottling up feelings. True emotional strength lies in the ability to acknowledge, express, and cope with emotions effectively. Bottling up feelings, under the guise of strength, can lead to increased stress, emotional repression, and strained relationships. Embracing vulnerability and open communication is essential for maintaining mental health and nurturing meaningful connections. Number 7. Good values versus being judgmental. Having strong values and principles is a commendable trait, reflecting a commitment to ethical living. However, when these values lead to judgmental attitudes toward those with differing opinions or life choices, empathy and understanding may suffer. Cultivating open-mindedness and practicing tolerance allows us to embrace diversity and bridge gaps in our relationships. Number 8. Spontaneity versus instability. Spontaneity can inject excitement and freshness into our lives. But when it transforms into instability, it can lead to uncertainty and chaos. Recognizing the boundary between being adventurous and maintaining stability is vital for making well-informed decisions and fostering consistency in our relationships and endeavors. Number 9. Sentimentality versus inability to let go. Sentimentality, often seen as a testament to loyalty and cherished memories, can hinder personal growth when it prevents us from letting go of the past. In conclusion, the journey of self-discovery involves recognizing the subtle nuances that differentiate seemingly positive traits from their negative counterparts. Striking a balance between these qualities is essential for personal growth and the cultivation of meaningful relationships, us to lead more fulfilling lives. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.